the Australia Post shipping. Australia Post. So they have, Australia Post have what they call eBay satchels and boxes. So you buy satchels and boxes from eBay, which is easy, but with from Australia Post, and it's got flat rate postage. Australia Post using, here we go, that's what I was looking for. So small satchels, you buy a 10-pack of the small satchels. Now, everything is up to 5 kilos now, and they have what's called, if it packs, it posts. So whatever you can fit into each box or bag, up to 5 kilos, you're good to go. So it's literally, so yeah, if it packs, it posts. So whatever size will fit in each bag or box, go for it. So up to 5 kilos. So you can see, and this is Australia-wide flat rate postage. So you buy the bags for 25 cents each, and then when you buy your postage labels, which I'll go through shortly, this small package will cost you $9.15 Australia-wide. There is ways to get cheaper than that, and I'll show you how in a minute. So that's all the Aussie Post, and I'll put all these links together and send it to everyone later. So the reason, many of you will have seen the red prepaid bags that you buy from the post office. These work in a very similar way, but because if you go to buy a small bag from the post office will cost you about $9.50. So you're tying up your capital by buying the eBay satchels and buying your post just as you need them. You're not tying up capital. You're only using it when you need it.
And then, Sue, I guess people would be, if they're holding their stock at home, they would then, as their orders come in, they would use those bags and just take them down to the post office. Is that?
Yep, down on the post office. Yeah. Now there is Sendle as well, and I know a number of people use Sendle. Look, I'm on the Sunshine Coast, and Sendle just doesn't work for me. Sendle is a broker, so they work with Fastway, Couriers Please, heaps of others. Some places work, some places it doesn't. So my advice with Sendle, and yes, they are cheaper than Australia Post, but try it and see. That's all you can do. I know for me, Australia Post works, Sendle doesn't. So
seems to be a real mixed bag.
Suck it and see. Yeah, it is a real mixed bag, because it really does just depend on who the contractors in your particular area are. And it can be a real minefield.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There are over 2,500 members right here in Australia. We've also got members from other countries as well, but we're mostly in Australia. We've got sales of over $50 million on Amazon here in Australia, and indeed right around the world. And if you'd like to find out more about joining us and getting all the benefits of being a member of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. That link is in the description, and I will see you on the inside.